In the world of basketball, one name stands above the rest, synonymous with greatness, passion, and unmatched athleticism. This is the story of Michael Jordan, the man who redefined the game and became a global icon. Michael Jeffrey Jordan was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York. He grew up in Wilmington, North Carolina, where his love for basketball began to blossom. From an early age, Jordan displayed an insatiable appetite for competition and a burning desire to be the best. He honed his skills relentlessly, fueled by the support and guidance of his parents. Jordan's talents didn't go unnoticed, and he quickly gained attention during his high school career at Emsley A. Laney High School. Despite initially being cut from the varsity team, Jordan used this setback as motivation to prove himself. His skills caught the attention of college recruiters, and Jordan went on to attend the University of North Carolina. Under the guidance of legendary coach Dean Smith, Jordan flourished and helped lead the Tar Heels to an NCAA championship in 1982. Following his successful college career, Jordan entered the 1984 NBA draft and was selected third overall by the Chicago Bulls. Little did the basketball world know that this would be the beginning of a legendary journey. From the moment he stepped onto the NBA court, Jordan's impact was immediate. His extraordinary athleticism, unmatched scoring ability, and fierce competitiveness captivated fans worldwide. With his gravity-defying dunks, clutch performances, and relentless pursuit of excellence, Jordan quickly established himself as one of the most dominant forces in the history of the sport. Throughout his illustrious career, Jordan led the Chicago Bulls to 6 NBA championships, earning the title of Finals MVP in each triumph. His partnership with coach Phil Jackson and fellow teammate Scottie Pippen created an unstoppable dynasty. His impact extended beyond statistics and championships. Jordan inspired a generation of athletes and fans alike with his unwavering work ethic, unyielding determination, and his ability to perform at his best when it mattered most. In 1993, at the peak of his career, Michael Jordan made a surprising announcement: his retirement from basketball. He pursued a career in professional baseball, but his love for the game would eventually bring him back to the NBA. Returning to the Chicago Bulls, Jordan picked up where he left off, reclaiming his throne as the league's premier player. His final years in the NBA showcased his enduring greatness, culminating in a storybook ending with his last shot as a Bull. Family. Michael Jordan's family has played an essential role in his life, providing support and love throughout his incredible journey. Let's take a closer look at the key members of his family. In terms of his own family, Michael Jordan has been married twice. His first marriage was to Juanita Vinoy in 1989. The couple had 3 children together: Jeffrey, Marcus, and Jasmine. Although Michael and Juanita divorced in 2006, they maintained a cordial relationship and focused on co-parenting their children. In 2013, Michael Jordan married his second wife, Yvette Prieto, a Cuban-American model. The couple has twin daughters, Victoria and Isabel, who were born in February 2014. Together, they have built a loving and supportive family environment. Car collection. Michael Jordan's car collection is a testament to his impeccable taste and love for exceptional automobiles. From the sleek Ferrari 550 Maranello to the powerful McLaren SLR, each car in his garage represents elegance and speed. The customized Porsche 550 Maranello gifted by his father and the Aston Martin DB9 Volante showcase his refined style. The Porsche 993 Turbo S, Bentley Continental GT, and Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 40th Anniversary Edition highlight his passion for performance and luxury. Jordan's practicality is seen in the Land Rover Range Rover 4.6 HSE, while his love for racing extends to his ownership of the 23 Racing Toyota. Lastly, the iconic Ferrari 550 Maranello serves as an inspiration in sneaker culture. Jordan's car collection is a physical manifestation of his greatness both on and off the basketball court. Net worth. Basketball legend Michael Jordan has a staggering net worth of $2 billion, according to Forbes. His wealth stems from various sources, including his highly successful partnership with Nike, which has earned him $1.8 billion. Jordan's endorsement deals with brands like Gatorade and Hanes have further contributed to his financial success. Additionally, his ownership of the Charlotte Hornets, which he recently sold a majority stake in for $3 billion, showcases his business acumen. Jordan's wealth has enabled him to live a luxurious lifestyle, including an impressive car collection and extravagant properties. He has also demonstrated a commitment to philanthropy, making substantial donations to causes close to his heart. Overall, Michael Jordan's net worth reflects his extraordinary career, entrepreneurial ventures, and enduring cultural impact. Michael Jordan's legacy transcends basketball. He inspired millions with his indomitable spirit, unmatched skills, and relentless pursuit of excellence. His name is etched in the annals of sports history, forever remembered as the greatest basketball player. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of Michael Jordan's lifestyles and biography. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. And as always, keep reaching for greatness in everything you do.